Today I show you how we got these 3 stuck manifold bolts on this 5.3 Vortec engine. We have 1 stuck manifold bolt on this side and 2 on this side. 1 there and 1 there. For this first one, I'm going to go ahead and try and weld a nut onto the tip of it and get it broken loose. I've never done this before, so bear with me and we'll see how it goes. If you have any tips, tricks, or pointers, leave them in the comments below. Here's my best effort. Well, we got it hot. Oh, did you look at that though?
Just look at it!
You guys seeing that? How did that thing come off originally? That's coming out. What am I doing? I'm going righty tighty. Laugh out loud. That's great. That way, once I get it out, it's not as bad. There we go. Sweet. 1 down. 2 to go. All right, here's go at number 2. I'm gonna put some duct tape over my holes, make sure everything's nice and clean. I'm gonna throw a washer on here, tack that up. Try and do the same thing I just did on the one that actually worked. Wish me luck. We did drill a hole into this bolt to try and use one of those reverse threaded drill bit kits to get the bolt out. It was a cheap set. We ended up rounding off the reverse threaded drill bit and it just didn't work, so back to welding. Now this ought to be interesting because I just drilled a hole in that, so we'll see if I can fill it back in or if I destroy this head. Yeah, nothing. Yep. A little tighter, a little looser. A little tighter, a little looser. Oh man, please tell me I'm recording this. Shut up. He's going. Ooh. I don't want to get too carried away. I may have gotten too carried away, guys. Yep, too carried away. Well, the bad news is we just broke another nut off. The good news is we made progress. Look, that is now sticking out a little bit. Oh my goodness. Then now I'm going to tighten it a little bit. I'm not going to get as carried away as I did last time. Last time I gave it one kind of nice hard yank, and it was like, nope, not today. Oh, now I'm getting excited. No way.
If you made it this far in the video, you might as well click that subscribe button.
Woo, woo. All right, on this side we have a little corrosion on there, so I had to do something to clean that up a little bit before I go tacking some welds on it and getting that one removed. All right, this is my best idea for cleaning this off. I like to wiggle it back and forth a little bit, loosen it up. Oh boy, that didn't feel good. That doesn't feel good there either. There's like a one notch where it's like, I don't know. But it seems to be going. Heck yeah. Here's a setting I had on my Lincoln 180 Easy MIG. I had the speed set to 7 and the heat all the way up to E.
Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of The Roy Garage. If you learned something, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to see what this engine's going into, click that playlist in the upper left. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time on The Roy Garage.